Hey guys, this is Chase Harrison, CEO of Alta Labs. I want to show you the rack mount accessory for our Route 10 S8 PoE and Control. With its 1U form factor, it is designed to color match our larger switches while providing the ability for you to install any combination of Route 10, S8 PoE, and Control in either of its two bays. After removing the rack mount accessory from its packaging, you will notice there are 4 rubber shims pre-installed, 2 for each bay. If you'd like to install a Route 10 in either bay, remove those 2 rubber shims for that bay. Then place the Route 10 in the slot and slide it into position. Because the Route 10 has rubber feet as well, it does require a little force to slide it forward into position. When flush with the face of the rack mount accessory, slide the metal retention bracket forward and tighten it into place to keep the Route 10 from sliding backwards. For the S8 PoE and Control, leave the rubber shims in place. Place the device in the bay and slide it forward. Be sure to slide the retention bracket forward and secure it into place with a metal fastener. When you have your desired equipment installed in the rack mount accessory, it's now ready to be installed in your rack. We hope you like the rack mount accessory as much as we do. If you have any questions or feedback on the product, please come and engage with us in our community forum at forum.alta.inc. Thanks for being Alta Labs fans.